further in Baqarah 2 and ayah 127. وَإِذْ يَرْفَعُ إِبْرَاهِيمُ الْقَوَاعِدَ مِنَ الْبَيْتِ وَإِسْمَاعِيلُ رَبَّنَا تَقَبَّلْ مِنَّا إِنَّكَ أَنْتَ السَّمِيعُ الْعَلِيمُ. And when Ibrahim and Ismail raised the foundations or principles from the house, our Lord, accept from us, surely you are hearing and knowing. In Arabic is yarfa. Rafa means to raise. Qawaid means, qaida. In this, when the child read this qaida, is principles. How to read the Quran, they say there are principles in the Quran. Read the Quran in Arabic. So the teacher says, the Maulvi Sahib says, bring the qaida. Qaida means what is the principle to how to read the Quran. There are, the principles. So the qawaid is the plural of the qaida. So they corrupted this word al-qaida, al-qaida. Al-qaida means nothing but a principle. It's a principle. So Ibrahim al-Islam and Ismail al-Islam raised the principles from the house. House was there. He did not make the wall. He was not a, mason. Still today people are, doing this work. So are they following the Sunnah? We are not following the Sunnah of Ibrahim al-Islam. How can we never become a mason there and do the house fixed right? So here you understand the raising of the foundation of the principle of the qaida is that do not associate anyone with me and purify my house for those who are going round, who are doing standing, bowing and prostrating. That is the principle that they raised. They purify the house for those people who were standing, who were bowing and prostrating and doing tawaf or going round. For them, he purified the house. These are the principles. These are the foundation of the house which Ibrahim a.s. and Ismail a.s. raised. وَإِذْ يَرْفَعُ إِبْرَاهِيمُ الْقَوَاعِدَ وَإِسْمَاعِيلُ رَبَّنَا تَقَبَّلْ مِنَّا. When Ibrahim and Ismail raised the foundation principle from the house, they said, our Lord, accept from us. إِنَّكَ أَنْتَ السَّمِيعُ الْعَلِيمُ. You are all hearing and knowing. So you understand the principles, that the principles are purify my house for other people who do not know the correct concept of the house. They have corrupted the house in their mind. But they are standing, they are bowing, prostrating, they are stepping the salah, they are going around the tawaf, they are doing tawaf, doing around. So you have to purify the house for them. So this is the principle of the Ibrahim Islam Ismail Islam raised. They did not make the wall of the house. It doesn't say.